What are you gonna do? I don't want to get involved. What are you doing? What are you doing, Sugar? You're fucking joke. And he's gonna jump up, kick fuck out of us. We've been back about an hour. How do you stop this fucking thing?
Yeah.